Hello, I'd like to show you how you can check the quality of sharpening of the kitchen knife. Here is the sharpened kitchen knife. We did sharpening in our workshop in Moscow, Russia, and first I'll show you the wrong way of how to check the quality. You tilt the knife. You try to cut paper with not straight, but you tilt a bit, and you move the knife towards you. Here is the wrong way. This is a pretty cheap knife with soft steel. Here is the wrong way, but the right way to check is to move the knife straight angle to the paper, not like this, but straight, and you don't move it forward and backward. You just cut the paper straightly like this. Like this. Here is the small parts of paper I cut. So this is how we check the quality of our sharpening. Also, we can teach you how to sharpen knives, manicure and barb, and hairdressers, scissors, and manicure tools. We can teach you how to sharpen all of that instruments. But please, I'll show you the cuticle nippers. Here it is. Here is the quality of sharpening that we are doing. I'll try to focus the camera. Look at this. It simultaneously. It goes simultaneously from the top to the bottom. Very thin lips. Я не снимаю. Отойди, ты сейчас прям снимаешься в центре камеры. And we can teach you how to sharpen nippers like this. This is our client's nippers. I'll show you one more. Here it is. It is even better. Very thin cutting edge. And here is, look at the form at the top. Here is very thin and very sharp. We use these things. I don't know how it is called. We use such tubes to put on the nippers because it's very sharp, and so you can not damage with these things. And also I'll show you more instruments to sharpen. We also sharpen hairdressers, scissors. We sharpen manicure scissors like this. It's our clients' instruments. And also we sharpen clipper blades. We have 3 masters in our workshop. Each masters sharpen up to 30 instruments a day. The price of sharpening that blades is about $7. This one, scissors, is about $5. This scissors, manicure scissors, is about $4 to sharpen, and manicure cuticle nippers is about $5 to sharpen. And each master sharpen each day up to 30 instruments. Also, we sell equipment for sharpening such tools. Also, we have a video class where we teach you to sharpen manicure tools and scissors and knives. The cost of video class is $200. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.